Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I wanted to make this update video and yeah guys, I got into a car accident. I wanted to share with you all the reality of what it's like to get into a car accident. I want to tell you all about, you know, what is happening. I was not at fault in the car accident and I can't drive for Uber right now. I want to start driving again. I'm getting these offers by Uber, but yeah, let me just do a quick walk around of my car and show you guys what happened. Firstly, if you want to help support the channel and also start earning more money, you can sign up for Current. I'm gonna have a link below. I use Current on my app here, and you can get paid up to 2 days faster with Current. As you can see, I am growing my savings account. It's just hit over $1,000. And there's no overdraft fees if you ever go negative, up to 200 bucks. So they pay you gas, pay you money when you fill up gas. So anyways, this is my infamous car you've seen in my videos. It is beat up. This is not qualified for Uber or Lyft right now. It's a 2011 Ford Escape. If you've seen my video, my car tour video, yeah, but look at the damage on this baby right here. So sad. So, just looking at it, first of all, the dent on the hood is pretty bad. This light is cracked right here. That is cannot drive for Uber with that. This is about to fall off. Still drivable. I've actually driven quite a few miles on it since the accident, but I mean, you got some cosmetic damage here. It looks like mainly paint. I mean, that looks like pretty bad. But guys, I had a very close experience. Honestly, it felt like a near-death experience. Because I was driving in LA, in Los Angeles of all places. Going to the gym, going to Gold's Gym in Venice, if you know that area. I was going down, I don't even remember what it was now. It was a few months ago now. It's taken forever to get this fixed. But basically the other party, they fought it. They did not want to pay for anything, so I couldn't get a rental car. Well, I had to get a rental car and I paid out of pocket. And in LA, those are not cheap, but it ended up not being my fault. But the other guys fought it. They did not want to cover any damages. It was a younger guy, 21 years old, and he totaled his car. He crashed into me and then crashed into a tree. I was basically going straight and he turned left in front of me from the opposite side, and you know, the person going straight has the right of way, very clear. But he fought it. He tried to say I was speeding, which I wasn't. Anyways, he was trying every little thing to say like that it wasn't my fault, which is so annoying. Even better, why you should sign up for buckle insurance, car insurance. I have a link below. They have a special offer right now. And yeah, so anyways, wanted to do another quick walk around right here.
Excuse me, you're not going that way, are you?
What's up?
You're not going that way towards Walmart? Which way are you going after you leave here?
Oh, I don't know why.
Well, because I have to, my car's dead and I won't get it repaired till tomorrow.
Oh.
I just need a ride, you know, you know where this gas station is?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, but you're not going that way.
No, I'm not, sorry.
Okay, well I got some N95 masks I could give you. You know, my neighbor, I'm going over to see my neighbor.
Oh, okay.
So, whatever. Thank you.
Yeah, so my car's actually broken down, so.
It's broken down?
Well, I mean, it still works, but.
Well, mine, that battery went dead. So when it's dead, it's dead.
Yeah. You can't get a jump?
Oh, I will tomorrow.
Okay.
I was with AAA. I bought a AAA battery. And then I went to another service, you know, roadside service.
Yeah.
So I had to call AAA to re-sign with AAA to get the battery guy to come over to give me my warranty on my AAA battery.
Oh.
It's dead.
Okay.
See, there's a reason to get AAA batteries. They usually give a good warranty.
Yeah.
No big deal. I'm real close. I'll just keep going.
Okay, take care. Okay guys, I don't know if you saw that or could hear what's going on, but anyways. So I also have this other scratch on my car, which this is in a very bad place because passengers are gonna see that every time they get into their car. Trying to see what else I have. Got my In-N-Out burger sticker. You know the vibes. Pretty sure everything else is good on the car except for oh, more damage on this side as well. I could just pop the hood real quick and show you guys, because I know some of you, I don't even know like what's going on under the hood, but I know a lot of you guys are car experts. Well, I don't want to do that. My car's so dirty right now and I don't have a place to wash my hands, so it's gonna be, I mean, you can see like, I don't really know what needs to be replaced, but I did get an estimate and it's gonna cost like $3,000 and my car right now is only worth like $4,000, $5,000 maybe, which that's what I paid for the car, but still. So what's basically happening is that now, since the other party didn't take, so what happened was the other party didn't accept fault, but Geico, my insurance, said that I wasn't at fault. So what that means, I guess, is that I have to pay for my own repairs. Now I can go through insurance, but I have to pay a $500 deductible and my insurance will probably go up. So I'm kind of stuck with this car right now. And if you've ever been in a car accident, a situation like this, you know how bad this is. Now luckily this isn't my only car, so I do have another car, which that one also was just repaired. I had so many people commenting, why aren't you driving for Uber right now? I'm like, bro, it's a long story. Like, I want to go out and drive mainly so I can make better content on the channel and I can, you know, actually share my earnings and stuff. And I think I'm just gonna get the car fixed and pay that $500 deductible. It's so annoying. And you know, my insurance actually did go up already, even though it wasn't my fault. They said that because you're more at risk to get into more accidents, you're a more risky driver since you've been in more accidents. I'm like, that they're not my fault. They're like, yeah, I know. I need to find a new insurance company. Geico sucks. I don't know. But yeah, guys, that's the update. That's my car. Please thumbs up the video and give me your thoughts. What should I do in this situation? Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Be safe out there, please. I'll talk to you soon.